Hello. I understand. We can close the attack dummy. I understand that the defense dummy will be attacking, and that. Oh, I want the attack dummy back. I want to copy this mesh, this cube. The defense dummy will be attacking, and the attack dummy was being attacked. So here's the mesh again. Um, just make it something different. Like an ice. There's an ice wall. Um, just to differentiate between them. Here's like a carrot. Can you type carrot? I get it. So you know which one is which. Um, this one needs a box collision. This is attack dummy AoE, area of effect. Okay. And I'm going to go down here. It's overlap all dynamic. I can make it custom. I want to generate overlap events. Query only. I want collision enabled query and physics. Character cannot step up on. Ignore all overlap pawn. Attack dummy mesh. I don't want to be able to attack it. Let's drag the defense dummy out here. So this is going to so let's attack dummy AoE. Go down here on begin overlap. The other actor will be we can use this. This is an actor object reference. We can cast up to pawn or character. I think it's you character is actor actor to pawn to character, something like that, right? Cast to player character. And you can convert to pure cast. You don't have to convert to pure cast. If this is saying we'll drag off from this pin, which verifies that it did in fact cast the player character. If we want there to be another case, we can drag off from this pin and say, well, what if then print string, did not overlap player. Did not overlap player. We probably won't see this message. I want to apply damage. This is the damaged actor. The base damage, we can make this defense dummy attack. Defense dummy damage. Compile that. Let's make it 10. We'll make it 15. So that's going to send this damage over to the player character. Let's go to the player character and get event any damage. We will print string. I want this to be in the string. We want to str append. I want this output. Damage to player. Um, and I want to get is blocking. Press B and click, or type F and get a branch, or type branch and get a branch. If I am blocking, I want to print a string that says no damage. And if I am not blocking, I want to get damaged. Okay, 15 damage to player. That's when you overlap it. So if you walk out of it, you can trigger it again. So let's block and walk in. No damage. No damage. No damage. Let's drop it. 15 damage to player. Can't damage that. Can't damage this. No damage. Okay, so you would put your you wouldn't do this. This is just the debug. You would put here, health minus damage set back into health. We can do that now. Here's health. I get a float. We'll get it. We'll set it. We can get rid of this if it's false. Health minus damage back into health. And I'm going to get the, we'll leave this here. I'm going to print string. And we'll set health to 100. So this is if we don't block. If we do block, what if we do nothing? We don't take away any health, right? Like now we have 85. It was 100. We took away 15. It's up here. It's in the top left corner. And as you can see, when we reach 0, it'll go below 0. We haven't set up any kind of death yet, but we do have that. And then if we, all we did is just print a string. We'll block, no damage. We'll go out, we'll go back in. Now it's only 85. It only hit us once. We've been in there twice. So, all right. Thanks a lot. See you in the next one.